and welcome to the Pacific Stroke Association's 20th Annual Stroke Conference. I'm Sherry Bookstaff, and I'm the author of When Life Throws You Lemons Make Cranberry Juice. This book chronicles my journey, my medical journey, when I went through a brain tumor removal operation followed by a severe stroke. And what I found out during that whole 9-month period that I was in the hospital is that the level of care that I received in regards to empathy ranged from rude and judgmental to really compassionate, really empathetic care. And what I decided to do after this whole journey was, when I was on the road to recovery, is to use my platform as an educator to really reach out to medical professionals and students and give them tips to connect to their patients immediately. Once you can connect to your patient on a personal or emotional level, they're much more likely to cooperate with you, and you are much more likely to always express empathy. Now, I know that you all have empathy. It's just that expression of empathy that always needs to come out. One of the best examples of a medical provider really truly expressing empathy to me was one of my speech therapists who came into my room to practice speech with me. And instead of just having me read words on a card, she actually had me recite the names of the whales on my poster. So we started off easy, with like gray whale, blue whale, humpback whale. Then she actually made me say the scientific names of the whales on my poster, and I remembered them. So like Balaenoptera musculus, Megoptera noviangli, Escherichthys robustus, and probably most of you don't even know if I'm saying them right, so I can say whatever I want. But having me do that and making me realize that I still remembered the names of those whales that I love so much really gave me hope that someday I'd be back to my career as a marine biologist and be back to being a marine biologist and not just a brain tumor patient in a hospital or a rehab center. So giving patients hope is one of the most valuable connections you can make with your patient, is giving them hope for that they will have a future and have a future beyond being a patient and treating people like they're patients. And that's where I started a nonprofit called Lifetime of Impact to really go out and give these talks and give some valuable information and valuable practical tips to medical professionals and students and help medical professionals connect to their patients immediately. Please come by this booth. I'll be here live on Thursday from 4 to 6 and on Friday from 1 to 3. I'd love to chat with you some more. If you want more information, go ahead and click the button on the right side. You can click on my logo to go to my website, the dolphin logo, of course. Click on the button and I'll be in contact with your contact information, and I'll be happy to contact you next week about coming to maybe give a talk for you. So have a great day, and I hope you're enjoying the conference. Thanks.